Discovering Red Deer, Alberta, what $625,000 can buy you. Have you ever found yourself contemplating the varying real estate markets across Canada? Each region offers its unique charm, lifestyle, and financial opportunities. Among these, Red Deer, Alberta, stands out as an intriguing option for homebuyers. But what can you actually expect when investing in a property here? Specifically, what does a budget of $625,000 afford you in this vibrant city? In this article, we will delve into the details of a remarkable home situated in the Timberlands neighborhood, an area celebrated for its family-friendly environment, excellent schools, and an abundance of amenities. Timberlands not only highlights the conveniences of modern living but also showcases the natural beauty that Alberta has to offer. By examining this property and its surroundings, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of what makes Red Deer a desirable location for potential homeowners. Whether you are a first-time buyer, a growing family, or someone looking to relocate, this exploration will help you grasp the value of real estate in this charming city. Join us as we uncover the features and benefits that make living in Red Deer both appealing and worthwhile. Red Deer, Alberta. Red Deer is strategically located between Calgary and Edmonton, two of Alberta's largest cities. This central position makes it an excellent choice for individuals and families who wish to enjoy the vibrancy and conveniences of city living while having the flexibility to access the larger urban centers for work or leisure. Community and lifestyle. The city is known for its warm and welcoming community atmosphere. Residents often speak highly of the friendly neighbors and strong sense of belonging that characterizes life in Red Deer. This supportive environment is particularly appealing to families, as it fosters a nurturing space for children to grow and thrive. Red Deer offers a wealth of recreational activities that cater to a diverse population. From outdoor adventures in the surrounding natural landscapes to cultural events and festivals, there is something for everyone. The city features numerous parks, trails, and sports facilities, promoting an active lifestyle. Community events, such as farmers markets and seasonal festivals, further enhance social connections among residents. Services and amenities. In addition to its community spirit, Red Deer provides a broad range of services tailored to meet the needs of families, young professionals, and retirees. The city boasts a variety of educational institutions, including public, private, and post-secondary options. For healthcare, residents have access to well-equipped hospitals and clinics, ensuring that medical needs are adequately met. Shopping options in Red Deer are abundant, with local boutiques, major retailers, and grocery stores available throughout the city. Dining establishments range from casual cafes to fine dining, offering diverse culinary experiences. This variety makes it easy for residents to enjoy a balanced lifestyle without needing to travel far for their daily necessities. Real estate market overview. The real estate market in Red Deer is both diverse and accessible, catering to a wide array of budgets and lifestyle preferences. This variety makes it an attractive destination for potential homebuyers, whether they are first-time buyers, growing families, or those looking to downsize. Types of properties available. In Red Deer, buyers can explore a broad spectrum of property types. For those entering the housing market, there are numerous affordable starter homes that provide a solid foundation without overwhelming financial commitments. These homes often feature essential amenities and are situated in welcoming neighborhoods, making them ideal for young families or individuals. On the other end of the spectrum, Red Deer also offers spacious family homes that come equipped with larger living spaces, multiple bedrooms, and additional bathrooms. These properties are perfect for families looking to settle down and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. For buyers seeking more upscale living, the market includes luxury properties that boast high-end finishes, extensive outdoor spaces, and prime locations. What $625,000 can buy? With a budget of $625,000, buyers have access to a wealth of attractive homes that cater to various needs. In this price range, it is common to find properties that feature modern amenities such as updated kitchens, energy-efficient appliances, and open floor plans that enhance the flow of natural light throughout the home. Many homes also come with desirable outdoor features, including spacious backyards, patios for entertaining, and landscaping that adds to the property's curb appeal. Additionally, the majority of homes within this price range are located in well-established neighborhoods. This not only ensures a sense of community but also provides easy access to essential amenities like schools, parks, and shopping centers. Families will appreciate being close to quality educational institutions, while outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy proximity to parks and recreational facilities. Community and lifestyle. The real estate options in Red Deer are complemented by the overall lifestyle the city offers. Residents benefit from a friendly community atmosphere, a variety of recreational activities, and cultural events that enrich their daily lives. The accessibility of essential services, such as healthcare, education, and shopping, further enhances the appeal of living in this city. Overall, the diverse real estate market in Red Deer, combined with the advantages of community living and accessibility to amenities, makes it an ideal location for those looking to invest in a home that aligns with their lifestyle and financial goals. Whether you are seeking a cozy starter home or a luxurious space for entertaining, Red Deer has something to offer everyone. Timberlands neighborhood. The Timberlands neighborhood is located on the far east side of Red Deer. This area is highly regarded for its safety, tranquility, and family-friendly environment. Before purchasing a home, it is crucial to consider not just the property itself but also the neighborhood in which it is situated. Timberlands boasts an array of amenities, including Timberlands Plaza, which features grocery stores, gas stations, fitness centers, and child care facilities. Additionally, Clearview Market is just a short drive away, offering major banks, restaurants, and more grocery options. The walkability of this area is exceptional, making it easy for residents to access necessities without relying heavily on a vehicle. Natural surroundings and parks. One of the highlights of living in Timberlands is the proximity to beautiful parks and walking trails. Just a 10 to 15 minute walk west of the neighborhood, residents can explore the Gates Lakes Bird Sanctuary, which offers serene walking paths and stunning natural scenery. The nearby Kerrywood Nature Center is a fantastic spot for families, providing educational programs and outdoor activities. For dog owners, the 3 Mile Bend Dog Park is a must-visit. This park is known for its spacious layout and well-maintained facilities, allowing dogs to socialize and explore in a safe environment. The abundance of green spaces and parks enhances the quality of life for residents in Timberlands. Schools and education. Families with children will appreciate the educational opportunities available in Timberlands. The neighborhood is home to Barry Wilson School, which offers kindergarten through grade 5 with both English and French immersion programs. For older students, the newly established St. Joseph Catholic High School is located just north of the neighborhood, providing quality education options. In addition to academic institutions, Timberlands features outdoor pickleball courts, promoting an active lifestyle among residents. These recreational facilities encourage community engagement and physical fitness. Exploring the home, 11 Trump Place. Now, let's take a closer look at the property itself. The home at 11 Trump Place is an inviting 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow with a generous 1,472 square feet of living space. This layout is perfect for families or individuals who prefer minimal stairs, as the main floor is designed with accessibility in mind. Upon entering the home, you will notice the open concept design, which creates a spacious and inviting atmosphere. The 9-foot ceilings and hardwood flooring add elegance to the living space. The kitchen features maple cabinetry complemented by striking white quartz countertops. The island is particularly noteworthy, offering ample space for meal preparation and casual dining with a corner eating bar. The fully finished basement includes 2 additional bedrooms and another 4-piece bathroom, providing flexibility for guests or family members. This layout is ideal for hosting visitors or creating a dedicated space for work or hobbies. The backyard oasis. One of the standout features of this property is the expansive backyard. Positioned on a corner lot within a quiet cul-de-sac, the yard spans over 8,000 square feet, offering plenty of space for outdoor activities. The oversized deck is perfect for entertaining, while the custom block work adds a touch of sophistication to the outdoor space. The mature aspen trees surrounding the yard create a sense of privacy, making it an ideal retreat for relaxation or family gatherings. For outdoor enthusiasts who own campers or recreational vehicles, This property includes RV parking in the backyard, ensuring convenience for those who enjoy exploring the great outdoors. A perfect fit for your lifestyle. Purchasing a home in Red Deer, Alberta, especially in the Timberlands neighborhood, presents an exceptional opportunity for buyers who value a harmonious blend of comfort, convenience, and community. The property at 11 Trump Place is a remarkable example of what this vibrant area has to offer, making it an ideal choice for families, young professionals, and retirees alike. Timberlands is not just a neighborhood, it is a thriving community filled with friendly residents, accessible amenities, and beautiful parks that enhance the quality of life. Whether you enjoy outdoor activities, value proximity to quality schools, or appreciate having shopping and recreational options within reach, Timberlands provides all of this and more. If you found this overview of Red Deer and the Timberlands neighborhood enlightening, we encourage you to dig deeper into what this area has to offer. Explore more about the local real estate market and the various properties available. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable insights into real estate opportunities across Alberta. Your next home could be just around the corner, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss out. Be sure to check out our other videos and articles for more information. We welcome your feedback, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you find your perfect home.